really easy to get lost in all these vines. Man, oh man. I've been just having a panic here. This is wonderful. Always pays to have good music. This is some of my own music. The composition is by Coldplay, and I kind of redid it a little bit. It fits in with my prehistoric plants, like these guys here. I put silver. You can see silver in the background of some of these at first. That's what I did last night. Tonight I'm just going in with the yellow and making little plants out of it. See something that I need to touch up, I can't find it again after I put paint on it. I just don't know. Pretty funny. One of the other things that I really like to do is to put music together. I like to arrange things. I'm not sure what this song is coming up. I kind of recognize it a little bit. It might be a Beatles song, I don't know. Oh no, it's Roxy Music. My arrangement of a Roxy Music song. That's it. I used to like Roxy Music. Good musicianship, good composing. Painting, you're going to have to really look close at the vines. I'm going to let you in on a secret. I'm having some of these vines go in and out of these bullet holes. So if you ever see the painting, you can actually look for those and you'll amaze your friends. I don't know what this is. It's just, I think you call it a flathead screw plant. Maybe that's what it is, a flathead screw plant. Why I wear the same shirt over and over again, because I use it for my paint, right? Now I think I'm going to take a little break right now, get some more coffee. Did I tell you that I think this is day 5? Is it? Or is it day 6? I keep forgetting. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting. I have when I edit it, I'll know what day it is, but I'll probably edit this tonight yet. I'll put it on, say, oh, corrected. It's not day 5, it's not day 6. So we'll see what day it is later. So I'm going to take a break now. I'll show you what this looks like. I'm going to try to finish this all tonight. So, see you in a little bit.